Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Now in the previous section, we had discussed 1.1, then 1.2, now this is the third class. Now in this session, we'll discuss 1.3 and this most important question, show that root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational number. This is most important for board exam. Now, in first theorem of this topic is 1.3. It's important theorem for these type of questions. Let p be a prime number. Small p यहाँ पर एक prime number को represent कर रहा है. If p divides a square, then p divides a, where a is a positive integer. We can take one example here. Suppose value of p is 2. Value of p is 2, and we know that 2 is a prime number. And 8 is any integer. A is a positive integer, so 8 is a positive integer, you can see here. If 2 divides 8 square means 64. If 2 divides 8 square, then 2 divides 8 also, because 8 is even and 64 is even and 2 is also even. That's why. So this theorem is clear. If p divides a square, then p divides a. Theorem number 1.4 is show that root 2 is irrational. We know that root 2, root 3, root 5 all are irrational number, but हमको यहाँ show करना है with the help of this theorem 1.3. तो हम लोग यहाँ contradiction concept use कर contradiction method का use करेंगे. Let करते हैं कि root 2 एक rational number है. Rational means p by q form. See here. Let us assume root 2 is rational. If it is rational, then we can write a upon b. Here, meaning of a and b is co-prime and b is not equal to 0 because this is denominator. And co-prime matlab means a और b में 1 के अलावा कोई other factor नहीं होना चाहिए. Example 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are co-prime. Why? Because there is only one is a common factor between these two numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, so these are the co-prime. Now look here, rearrange these terms. B root 2 equal to a, squaring both sides, we will get b square to 2 equal to a square. Now can we write b square equal to a square upon 2? Suppose this is first equation. Now look here. In this situation, 2 divides a square. Now by theorem number 1.3, if 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a. Okay, it means 2 divides a square का मतलब ये कंफर्म हो गया कि 2 a को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है. It means a में 2 एक कॉमन फैक्टर शो हो गया. Now अगर a में 2 एक कॉमन फैक्टर है तो a एक इवन नंबर है. So let a is equal to 2c for some integer c. Some integer c. An integer. Okay. Now this is the second equation. So value of a equal to 2c. Put in equation number 1. We get ये वैल्यू उठाइए यहां से a का और इधर लगा दीजिए. तो b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2c स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. मैंने a के प्लेस पर केवल 2c लगाया. नाउ 2 का स्क्वायर 4c स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन you will get b square equal to 2c square और b square upon 2 equal to c square. Same situation is arisen again. 2 divides b square by theorem 1.3, if 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b. ओके, इससे क्या शो हुआ? 2 a को भी डिवाइड, a में भी एक कॉमन फैक्टर है, b में भी एक कॉमन फैक्टर है। इसका मतलब ये चीज क्लियर हो गया कि a और b दोनों में 2 एक कॉमन फैक्टर है। Therefore, a and b have at least 2 as a common factor. भाई 2 divides a, 2 divides b, then a and b have at least 2 as a common factor. इसका मतलब a और b दोनों में 2 एक कॉमन फैक्टर आ गया, बट ये तो गलत है, बिकॉज हमने तो एज्यूम किया था a and b आर कोप्राइम। कोप्राइम मींस देयर इज नो कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1, but this contradicts the fact that a and b have no common factor other than 1. This contradiction is arisen because of our incorrect assumption that root 2 is rational number. So we conclude that root 2 is a rational number. Okay, this is the process. You can solve another question like this. Show that root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational. मतलब root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, कोई भी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में स्टेप से रहने हैं, केवल वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगा। अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है root 3 is irrational, सेम प्रोसेस रखिए, 2 के प्लेस पर 3 आएगा, 3 3 3 3, इधर 3 3, ओके 3, सिमिलरली है। तो वो एंड में जाके जो आपको कॉमन फैक्टर मिलेगा वो 3 मिलेगा इन केस ऑफ root 3। रूट 5 के केस में कॉमन फैक्टर 5 मिलेगा। लैंग्वेज सेम रहेगा, प्रोसेस सेम रहेगा, यही कंसेप्ट है शो करने का कि रूट 2, रूट 3, रूट 5 एक इरेशनल नंबर्स है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वन मोर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज 1.3 is show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Same again, use the contradiction method. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. If this is rational, then we can write a upon b. After rearranging, see 3 उधर shift किया, minus 3, take LCM here b, so b into 3, so a minus 3b, and after cross multiplication we will get a minus 3b upon 2b. This right side is rational. See, this is a p by q form. So root 5 is also rational. Root 5 is also rational. But we know that root 5 is irrational number. So, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradiction is arising because of our incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. It's completely depend on the question. If it comes like this, show that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. If it is given that root 5 is irrational, then you can write directly. Otherwise, we have to show that firstly that root 5 is a rational number. Okay, this is also important question. Now this is your 1.3 exercise. Okay, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। Thank you very much.